Hey guys, how are you? So, I got a package today. What package did I get? Well, it's a pretty big package. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a very big box. I am so excited. Let's open it. Grab this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, this box is so amazing. Oh. Oh. Struggle. Okay. Oh. Oh. Struggle. Da da da! Little twin stars! I am so excited. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm like really excited about this. I'm so excited about this. Like, oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I have been obsessing over the little twin stars lately. Like, in case you haven't noticed, when I sat down, this is my phone case. I made this. The lighting is kind of weird, but whatever. Made this phone case. I have a Salpet, a Lolita Salpet that I wore the other day. It was little twin stars. I was gonna wear it for this video because I thought this was coming yesterday, but it didn't. So I was just like, crap. I don't want to put on the same outfit. Not that it matters. I just didn't want to. But anyway, let's open it. There we go. I was waiting for this package because I was seeing everyone else getting theirs, and I'm like, where's mine? Where is mine? Where is mine? Took forever to get here. Okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. What am I gonna do with this box? I'm keeping the box, but what am I gonna do with it? Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. On the inside of the box. I don't think I've ever seen this in anyone's YouTube video. It says something here. I can't read it. I can't read, first of all. Friends are like stars. You can't see them, but you know they're there. You know that they are always there for you. Aww. Oh, that's so cute. That's so sweet. Okay, so I'm gonna very carefully hold this up. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. Alright, so I will unbox this first since it's some makeup brushes. They don't have a smell. I just smell something on them. It might just be like, is it this? It might be the other thing. But anyway, makeup brushes right here. This one, don't focus on me. Stop that. Okay. This one, the pink one, scooched up a bit, but not that big of a deal. They are called Star Powder Makeup Brush Set. Star Power. I can't read, guys. They're makeup brushes. Do I need this to open them? First of all. No, I don't need this to open them. Do I? No, I don't. My unboxings are always so chaotic. Always so chaotic. But I like to think you guys are here for the chaotic energy. This box was so heavy that when I was streaming today, I squished my finger putting this box down because of how heavy it was. Oh, it's a nice fluffy blending brush. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Nice and soft. I mean, that'd be too violent because I was like, oh my gosh, it's so soft that I started to pull it. Don't focus on my face. Focus on the brushes. They're nice and soft. Oh, so soft. I have a Oh, let me show you the. Did I show you the packaging? So cute. You don't necessarily need to see that, but I wish it was open. It's back. They're like liquid. I didn't know that because like a lot of people, from what I saw, people weren't showing that these were like liquid. Okay, so these cute eyeliners. We have this, if I can get it out with my nails, because I don't think I can. I can't get it out. Yeah. I can't get it out. We have this cute Kiki and Lala makeup carrying bag, or you can put whatever you want in it. Oh, it has a little. Is that where the smell's coming from? It smells like a pool. It smells like a pool. Hope that's not blurry. Like I saw this. Little twin stars are my weakness. It smells so good. It smells just like a pool. Memories, childhood memories. Here's the art. And then we have 4 lip glosses. They're called Star. They're called lip mousse. I have 2 lip mousses and 2 lip glosses. Excuse me. It's hard for me to get things out with these nails. Oh my gosh. Oh, my computer went to sleep. There's no sleeping around here unless it's me. I really can't get stuff out. So I'm gonna move on to, these are Complexion Trio palettes. Ah, so cute. That's one. That's the Lala version. And then here is the Kiki one. Oh, wow. This is so cute. I'll take this out for you guys because this is a lot cuter in person than on the videos. Oh, it's nice and weighted too. It's so pretty. It has like it's kind of like this gradient effect on the cup, and then like it has gold sparkles in it, gold glitters in it, excuse me, and then it has like Kiki and Lala like a sticker on top of it. Really cute. Really, really cute. Okay. I'm going to try to get I really can't get stuff out with these nails. Yay, chaotic unboxing. What the heck? Why is it like that? Oh my gosh, I really can't get this out. I'm gonna use this spoon from my tea stand over here. Aha, got it. This is an eyeshadow palette. Ah, so cute. I remember someone saying that not all of these are eyeshadows. Some of them are face pigments. So the ones that are face pigments are Timid, Sugar High, Lala, and Curious. Which I guess if it's like 1 for 1, I'll try to remember to show you guys a close-up. I'm not very good at doing unboxings. I just like to do them. Put that right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna get this out with my Hello Kitty spoon. Come on, Hello Kitty, help them out. How do people work with nails? I can't do it. Okay, I can get the lip glosses out. It's a struggle for me. That's such a struggle. There we go. Got them. It's a shame. Oh, these are really pretty. I wonder how the lip mousses are. I don't think I've seen anybody try on the lip mousse before. But these lip glosses are amazing. I love sparkly lip gloss. I hope they're not sticky. These right here are lip scrubs, and what was the other one? This is a lip scrub. The Kiki one is a lip scrub, and then this one was a lip mask. So kind of like this one is like this was like the scrub away dead skin, and this one is to like moisturize your lips before putting on gloss. Really cute. Okay, let me try again to get this freaking thing out. I think I got it. This is a glow face mist. Like, I guess you just spray it on after. Not 100% sure. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, so pretty. Just like you, so pretty. So pretty. See, there's some makeup sponges. I just got some makeup sponges. They were Hello Kitty makeup sponges. And they were shaped like, one of them was shaped like a strawberry. And the other two were just makeup sponges. And then lastly, we have this. It is a makeup sponge case. This is so cute. That is everything, guys. Woo! This is a lot. I don't even wear makeup that much. I just started getting back into makeup, which is what I was saying on my stream today. I started out on YouTube as a makeup channel, a makeup and DIY channel. I am still kind of a DIY channel, but but I more so just post whatever I like. But little twin stars. If you want me to buy something, little twin stars. Legit, like seriously, make little twin stars. I am a sucker, and I will buy it. Hate myself. I don't hate myself. I hate how weak I am. Yet, so cute. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm gonna try out this makeup tomorrow, not tonight. Tomorrow. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I almost dropped stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a very good night. Bye-bye. Oh, so cute.